Hi, it's me, Teacher Jovi, and welcome back to another online class. Let's play a game. Tell which letters, words, or numbers in a group are the same. Are you ready? Draw a line going to the same word as the one on the left. Let's read it first. Cat. Which of these words is the same as the word cat? Is it fat, dog, cat? Good job! Let's read it once again. Cat, cat. Nice work! How about this word? Man. Which of these words is the same as the word man? Is it mat, man, or mop? What? Nice work! Let's read it once again. Man, man. Very good! Let's read this word. Pig. Which of these words is the same as the word pig? Sat, pig, lit. What? Yes, nice work. Let's read it once again. Pig, pig. Good job! Look for the same letter as the one on the left and circle it. What letter is this? Yes, it's letter D. Which one of these is letter D? Is it this one or this one? Nice work! What letter is this? Very good! It's letter F. Which one of these is letter F? Is it this one or this one? Excellent! What letter is this? It's letter H. Which one of these is letter H? Is it this one or this one? Nice job! What letter is this? A. Which one of these is letter A? This one or this one? Very good! Now, let's look for the same number as the one on the right. What number is this? Number 2. Let's look for the number 2 and draw a line going to the same number. Is it this one? No, that's number 1. Is it this one? Yes, that's 2. Or is it this one? No, it's 3. There you go. You got the correct answer. What number is this? Look for the pair. Is it this one, or this one? Good thinking! What number is this? Yes, it's number 7. Is this number 7? Is this number 7? Or is this number 7? Yes, you're right. That's number 7. See you on our next lesson. Bye!